Welcome to EMILAC Online tutorial. And before us is this question in physics that says that the decay constant of the isotope of a nuclide is 1.36 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 per second. Calculate its half-life. Now let us recall from the formula of half-life. Alright, where lambda is actually the decay constant. So input this value for this value. So here we have 0.693 over this. You have 1.36 times 10 to the power of minus 4. Alright, so 0.693. Now bringing this over to this, you have times 10 to the power of 4 over 1.63. Alright, now using your calculator, now we get to add 5095.6 seconds. Final answer. Alright, thank you and God bless you.